Guys, ako lang ba? Nakapagkusa mong ginagawa yung isang bagay, for example, magugas ka ng pinggan. Tapos yung nanay mo, biglang tatawag, sasabihin niya, "Anak, magugas ka na ng pinggan." Tapos ikaw, wala na. Mawawalan ka na ng gana. Kasi parang requirement na lang yun sa'yo, diba? So parang ginagawa mo na lang yun kasi inutos sa'yo ng mama mo. So ang ending, tatamarin ka na. Guys, ako lang ba? Huh?
I'm a West Side baby. All my ladies, I'm tryna. Oh!
Ako sa'yo.
Nung magagawa, laging natutulala. Nung malapit ka, all of the things I do.
I like the view.
You do?
Yes.
You're my best view.
Me.
Just wait till I blow up!
Oh, na na na. Put your hands in the air if you're loving tonight. Oh, na na.
No, it's not that serious.
Hey. Walk up in the bitch who clean up froze. They don't fight you where I'm from. Like the beat I keep.
Okay class, di ba nag-usap tayo kahapon na magdadala kayo ng one whole sheet paper dahil mag-e-essay tayo today? Loh, parang tanga naman, parang wala naman ako naalala sinabi niya yun. Yes. Uy pre, may one whole ka pala? Tingin naman. Syempre naman pre, nag-aaral ako eh. Ilan ba kailangan mo? Isa lang pre. Nakalimutan ko kasing bumili kahapon. Oh, eto pre. Naka-iPhone tapos di makabili ng one whole. Hala pre, thank you. Ang bait mo. Sana pa kopyahin niya din ako.
No, it's not that serious.
Hey. Walk up in the bitch who clean up froze. They don't fight you where I'm from. Like the beat I keep.
Teka lang, wag mo munang scroll, may sasabihin ako. Isa ka rin ba sa mga taong magpo-post ng wala bang mag-chat sa akin dyan? Tapos kapag may nag-chat, hindi naman re-replyan. Tapos ito pa. Yung may ka-chat ka tapos feeling mo ang saya ng convo nyo. Tapos bigla siyang nag-chat. Ang boring, walang ka-chat. Nung kailangan kong gawin. Char. Tapos magra-rant pa yan kung bakit wala siyang jowa. Bakit nga ba?
Savage love. Did somebody break your heart? Looking like an angel, but you're savage love. When you kiss me, I know you don't get two fucks, but I still want that. You're savage love.
Bentas bayar. Aku lagi cari mama muda buat kasih uang sejuta. Na 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 na.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Gusto mo bang dumami ang followers mo? Napakadali lang, basta sundin nyo lang yung mga steps na sasabihin ko. Una, click the share button. Tapos, copy link. Tapos, i-paste nyo dito sa comments dito sa video na to. Follow nyo na rin yung mga nag-paste din dito sa comments. Wait and see. Magra-random follow back din ako sa mag-like ng video na to.
I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. But I'm only human.
Cause that bitch go pew when I shoot, it's on you. That bitch go pew when I shoot, it's on you. That bitch go pew when I shoot, it's on you. Copycat nigga tryna copy what I do. Damn, that bitch go pew when I shoot.
I'm a West Side baby. All my ladies, I'm tryna. Oh!
I'ma hit this drink up like it's my last. I'ma hit this night up like it's my last. I'ma like it's my last. I'ma do it like I never had it at.
Gusto ko lang naman ang lambing mo. Di na ako galit, halika na dito.
What you got, mom?
I got plans for me and you. Oh.
Time, baby girl, we can
Hey, your mama
Cause
understand.
that go when I shoot, it's on you. That go when I shoot, it's on you. That go when I shoot, it's on you. Copycat, tryna copy what I do. Cause that go.
I walk around like that nigga. Finger on the trigger. If a nigga wants some smoke, I let it chop.